In this lesson, we'll learn how to make Russian pancakes, or in Russian, Blinu. So there are actually two variants. The first one is based on milk and the second one is based on yeast. And in this particular lesson, we're gonna make the first variant. So let's get started. Okay, firstly, crack the eggs to the bowl. Then slightly beat them, just to combine the egg yolks and egg whites. Add sugar, then milk, and sieve flour to it. Carefully mix it together. Add vegetable oil. And pour to it boiled water. So, this is the consistency that you're looking for. It shouldn't be too runny or too thick. Okay, next, sieve the batter. Brush the preheated pan with vegetable oil. So we just need to do this for the first time, and the next times we can fry it without vegetable oil. So ladle the batter to the pan and spread it around. I do recommend you to use a ladle to spread the batter on the pan. Don't pour it right away from a bottle or bowl, otherwise the flour will remain at the bottom of the bowl and the pancakes will turn out to be very thick and heavy. So that's not what we are looking for. So this is how it looks like. Okay, after frying each pancake, brush it with melted butter. So the butter will give the pancake extra richness and as well will keep it soft. Then just repeat the process. Finally, serve it with your favorite jam and enjoy!